Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. I hope you're having a good day today. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone stuck on update requested after iOS 17 update. For example, I have my iPhone 14 Pro to update iOS 17. To see the new update iOS, you must go to your setting menu, General Setting, Software Update. I will give you 6 solutions to fix that issues. Solution 1. Check network and restart network settings. In your setting, General Setting. If you're using the Wi-Fi network, click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click Reset Network Settings. It make your iPhone cannot stuck again. Solution 2. Clear up storage space. In your general setting at the setting menu, click the iPhone storage, and you can delete apps what you want, or you're not using. Or you can back up your storage file to iCloud or your computer device to have space in your storage. It make your iPhone cannot stuck again. Solution 3. Delete the iOS 17 and reinstall. Any general setting. At the software updates, make sure you turn on the automatic update setting like this video. It make your iPhone cannot stuck again. Solution 4. Use UltFone system repair. Easy and no data loss. Open your browser computer. Go to this website, UltFone.com. Click the menu Repair. iOS System Repair. You can see like this. This app's UltFone have many features to fix your iPhone issues. Like a fix 150 plus iOS system issues like Apple logo, reboot loop, and black screen without data loss. Free repair and downgrade macOS system in minutes. And many more features. To fix iPhone issues, a master of iOS system repair under many scenarios. Fix iOS system issues without data loss. Then click the download link. Then install that UltFone apps on your computer. Click Start the menu of iOS system repair. You can repair issues on UltFone apps like iOS update problem, device bug, screen stuck, iOS mode stuck, and many more. Then click Fix Now. You can choose Standard or Deep Repair. Then click the middle. You can choose firmware version, like iOS 17 Beta 2 or Beta 3. Then click Download. To download iOS 17 firmware. Wait the download process after completed. Make sure you have a good connection. Don't forget to connect your iPhone and your computer device to install the firmware. It make repair. After repair was completed, you must go back to your iPhone to check the progress. Solution 5. Force restart. Long press the lock button on the right for a while. Then slide to right. For power off your iPhone, then turn on again. Solution 6. Use iTunes to update. Make sure your iPhone connected to your computer and open your iTunes apps on your computer. Then click Trust. Then click Check for update. Make sure you have a good connection, because this process need a good connection to process. Thanks for watching this video.